Hello and welcome to our Phillips 66 Lubricants e-commerce store instructional videos. We hope you've had a chance to watch some of the other videos. Our first video was how to come to the site and go up to my account and create an account, sign up for a new user account, how to log out of that account, and of course how to come back to the site and log in. What happens when you create a new user account? You'll get an email, of course, with that information. We had another video that shows you around the site, showed you our main menu items, our subcategories, and how to get into those different categories, all of our brands, all items, and clearance items. We showed how to use the open search, the smart search, different ways to get to different item sets as we go down the home page. The purpose of this video is going to be to show you some of the cool features that we've added to enhance your shopping experience, and might not be apparent to some users depending on how much you use e-commerce stores. So let's get right to it, and I want to show some of the different items. First one's going to be Quick View. If we go down here, as we go through the product sets as we're on different pages, we've got this Quick View button. Now, what the Quick View button is going to do is going to pop up a quick screen that shows you kind of the top elements of what that product is. We can go through, of course, in the other sale items, which is what we're in now, and we can see those other sale items come up. We can add to the cart from here, select the quantity that we might want to add to the cart, close out of that. And we're going to go ahead and go into one of the subcategories. Let's go to Phillips 66 Apparel. One of the next items I want to show you that you might want to use, the sort items that we've got here when we're in a product set. We showed you this before, but the breadcrumbs is a good tool to use as you're going around the site. It's going to show you where you are at all times. So we're in Home, Phillips 66, as you can see right here, branded merchandise and apparel, and that's going to show us that we're there. Now, to sort the items within here, we went through the product filters, so of course we can hit jackets and it's just going to show us those 3 jackets, or we can unclick that to filter within apparel. The sort items I wanted to show you here, we can sort by alphabetically, we can sort by price, say low to high, as well as how many products we want to have on a screen, 12, 24, 48, 96. We're going to go ahead and do 12 products right now, and we can see down here at the bottom, if we do just 12 products, we're going to have a pagination down at the bottom where we can do previous, next, and go through those pages, or we can just go to view all, and depending on the product set that we're in, it's going to show us all of those products, and you can see that the pagination is gone from the bottom because we're viewing all of the products in that set. So also, as we showed you, you can sort by price and filter by price. So that's going to show us all of the products that are between $12 and $70. Pull that back out. It's going to show us all of those products. Let's go ahead and go into one of these product detail pages. We'll click this cap beanie here. It's kind of a camouflage item. Now, as we've gone through, we can add the quantity here, 1, and how we'll add to cart. We've gone through that. Another cool feature I wanted to show you, you also might like, and it's going to show you whenever you're on a product detail page, if there are other products that might be associated with this, it's going to show you right here. So we can quick view that, see the details of that item, and let's say I want to add that to my wish list and not get off of that product page. The wish list and the compare list are 2 things I'm going to show you how to get out of. There we go. And these items, we're going to add this to our compare list as well. The wish list and the compare list are going to show up right here. You can see we've added those items, the compare and the wish list. And this is a cool feature. I'm not going to stay on it for too long, but as we said right here, we're going to go through this apparel section to a couple other items. And we're going to add those to, go to one other item. There we go. And we see our you may also like. It's got a couple other Phillips 66 items over there you might want to order as well. We're going to add that to our compare list. And we're also going to add that to our wish list. And as we add these items, you're going to be able to see that they show up here in our compare and wish list. So let's go ahead and go to one of those. Go to our compare list. These are the two items that we've added to our compare list, and they'll keep lining up on there to the right. It's just a way for you to see all of the items that you might want to be comparing the prices, what the different features might be. If they've got different features, we can remove it from right there at the top. It's going to take it down. You can see that we've just got one item. Let's go to our wish list. And the wish list is pretty much a way that instead of ordering the item, you'll be able to line items up here. When you log into your account, you can see that we're logged in as Philip66. These are going to stay in your account when you come to the site and log in. And if there's things that you want to save that you might want to go back and purchase another time, of course, there's quick view there. We're going to continue shopping, but that is the wish list. And let's go to a really long one. Another thing I wanted to show you, it's sort of peeking out right here in the window, the back to top button. If you have really long, say we go to all of the Philip66 items, and it's going to show us quite a few items since we're viewing all. See, we've got view all still there. If we're in any of these brands or all products, we've got our main menu items that we went through: branded merchandise, signage and more, sales brochures, floor mats and static clings, and trade show items. So we can go to any of those larger sets within Philip66. And as we scroll way to the bottom here, since we're viewing all products, we've got this little button at the bottom where we can go all the way to the back to the top of the page. We've got recently viewed items. Those are the recently viewed items that we've seen. We can go to back to any of those. Those are going to show up the whole time. And other than this, you may also like, this is the same way and just another way to get to these related products. It's going to show you a list of those that are related. We can close out of that. And that is how we do that. Let's go ahead and add that to cart so we can see that show up in the cart. Close out of that button. We can see we've added that to our cart. We can remove that out there. Go back to our home page. So those are a cool couple of the other cool items that we've added to the site, tools for you to use to enhance your shopping experience. Hope you'll take a chance to go back and view our other videos to see how to do different items on the site. As I said, sign up for a profile, log in, log out, how to search for different items within our subcategories, and hope you have a good time shopping on the site, and thanks for watching our videos. Bye-bye.